Baho, pupo. Yo, sup mga kadugo? It's your boy Super Eden here. And it's not so wonderful morning again. Oh my God. It's affecting our business. Yes, sheesh, business. So it's raining, you know guys, we are selling ice candy. So if the weather is like this, oh my God. So by the way guys, this is our day 250. 250 guys. I'm saying hi. Talaga famous. Thank you so much everyone for your support to this nonsense content. Okay no.